Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Read and Travel with Savida. We are
in transit right now. This is not really my home, but yeah, a home for a very short period of time, maybe 6 to 8 months. So I shifted here in June, and अभी हमें यहाँ पे रहना होगा कम से कम अक्टूबर नवंबर तक maybe.
I'm hoping कि हमें दिवाली के पहले घर मिल जाए. Please pray for me. Okay, so coming back to the point, it's been a long time since I made a long form content video, right? And बहुत टाइम हो गया है मुझे कोई स्पिरिचुअल माइथोलॉजिकल ऐसा फिक्शन या कोई बुक पढ़े हुए. This is the recent book that I have this bill also. This is the most recent book that I bought from Crossword recently. Okay, it's called I Am Geeta, but this is more of a psychological book. Okay, it explains the psychology of Bhagavad Gita, and there are many activities which you have to see. I'll show you, which you will have to do along with reading the book. Okay, ये मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है, but this is really fun. I mean, it will help you in analyzing your inner self. It will help you in um, making connection with people. It will help you in understanding people around you. Okay, great book, I swear, because I read this, but I did not do the activities. I should have done the activities along with the book, but very nicely explained the phrases, the shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. और आप श्लोक पढ़ोगे तो आपको मे बी वो उतने अच्छे से समझ ना आए जितने अच्छे से समझ आपको ये बुक पढ़ने के बाद आ सकता है. So I liked this. I liked the activities. I liked how I can introspect myself after reading this book and understanding what kind of person I am, what kind of person I want to become in future, and what kind of person the other person is who is sitting over here, or all sorts of things. So basically, this is not story. It is not fiction. It is psychological activity along with the explanation of Bhagavad Gita. If you want to try, you can try this book. This is for 300 rupees. I got it from Crossword. You can get it on Amazon as well. I'll drop down the link over there. Okay.
Plus because अभी हम लोग transit में हैं, and this is not exactly my home, so all my books are locked up in the trunk, which is somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I miss my books a lot. मेरे पास बहुत ही कम books हैं, physical books हैं जो मैं
आपको दिखा सकती हूँ, but I'll definitely leave the links in the description box from where you can buy all the books that I have been reading. Okay, another book that I bought recently, I thrifted it. I mean, it was a deal. And this is called The Rise of Kali. Okay, The Rise of Kali is by Anand Neelkanthan. Okay, and I read Asura of Anand Neelkanthan, but it was more of a philosophical book. Okay, sorry, it was more of a philosophical book, but this particular book is a mix of philosophy, is a mix of psychology again, is a mix of spiritual teachings. It has the aspect of Duryodhan in it. Okay, uh, from the point of view of Duryodhan, how the entire Mahabharat played out in front of him. So it's a good read. It is definitely a good read, but at the same time, it is quite heavy on your mind. I took a lot of time to finish this again because I don't know. It's a common pattern in my life that whenever I pick up Anand Neelkanthan's book, it is so heavy that I take at least a month, 2, 3 to complete one particular book, and it's quite thick. If you see, this is quite thick. Anyway, it's a very good book. Please do give it a read if you want to know more intrinsic details about Mahabharat, how Mahabharat played out in front of Duryodhan, and other philosophical aspects of Mahabharat. Okay. Then recently, the most recent book, no, so the most recent book was this, but before this book, I finished this. This is called Mahagatha by Satyarth Nayak. Okay, this book is amazing. This has simplified the entire Shiv Puran. No, not exactly Shiv Puran. So different Purans and the stories that we have heard फ्रॉम आर वेरी चाइल्डहुड, जो हमें बचपन से सुनाया गया, हमारी मम्मी ने सुनाया, हमारी दादी ने सुनाया, एंड या आप कहीं पढ़ के आपने वो स्टोरी सुना. सो ऑल दो स्टोरीज इन अ वेरी सिंक्रोनाइज्ड मैनर, कि किस स्टोरी के बाद क्या हुआ था, बिकॉज वी नो द स्टोरीज बट इन अ वेरी इन वेरी बिट्स एंड पीसेस. तो क्या होता है कि आपको वो क्रोनोलॉजी नहीं पता चलती है कि इस स्टोरी के बाद ये हुआ था, इस स्टोरी के बाद ये हुआ, यहाँ पे भगवान जी ने ये लीला रची, तो इस लीला के बाद आए शिव जी का ये लीला, एंड somehow all those things are connected, right? So पूरे पुराण में you have to learn the timeline, and then the Purans and Upanishad will make sense to you. Purans and all those folk tales will make sense to you. But this book has simplified that thing for you. You don't need to learn the timeline, you just need to know the story, and you will have to decipher the meaning of the story from all the Puranic katha. Okay, तो आप जो भी मीनिंग समझते हो आप, क्योंकि कोई भी पौराणिक कथा जो होती है वो आपको कुछ ना कुछ लेसन के लिए लिखी गई है. अब अगर भगवान जी ने किसके लिए क्या किया, कैसे किया, और आपको किस चीज़ को इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए और किस चीज़ को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देना चाहिए, ये इस बुक पे नहीं लिखा है. बट ये आप ज़रूर सीखोगे जब आप एक स्टोरी इसकी पढ़ोगे. So there are many short, and this is very short stories. This has many short stories. आप कोई भी स्टोरी 2 3 4 पेज से ज़्यादा की है नहीं. ओके, इफ़ यू सी, और बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में है, तो आपको कोई प्रीच नहीं कर रहा होगा. आप सिर्फ स्टोरीज पढ़ोगे, आप सारे पौराणिक कथाएं पढ़ोगे जो आप बचपन से कहीं ना कहीं तो आपने ज़रूर सुना होगा. Okay, so these are the books that I have till now. First one is Mahabharata, the other one is I Am Gita, third one is Rise of Kali, and yes, this is the Rosable line, but I thrifted it. I read it long back. I think this was the first book of Ashwin Sanghi. तो मैंने तो कृष्णा की पढ़ी थी पहले, and thereafter I picked up this book, The Rosable Line. This is also a great book. Uh, इनकी लिखी हुई तो हर बुक आई कैन रीड एनी टाइम एंड एवरी टाइम. ही राइट्स माइथोलॉजिकल फिक्शन अलॉन्ग विथ थ्रिलर, सो मर्डर्स होते हैं, मिस्ट्री होता है, स्पिरिचुअल एंगल होता है, and what not. It's power packed book. Okay, he writes amazing stories, and then you will turn the page, because you will be bound to turn the page, क्योंकि आप बिना एंडिंग पढ़े रह ही नहीं सकते हो इनके बुक्स में. And I love reading Ashwin Sanghi all the time. So these are the books I have as of now, but I will get back again with you guys later on with new sets of book. And plus I have recently ordered the series of the Twisted series, and at the same time King of Sin series. आई डोंट नो मैं कब वो पढ़ूंगी, कैसे वो खत्म होगा. ट्विस्टेड सीरीज तो मैंने ऑलरेडी किंडल पे पढ़ लिया है. या आई एम दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ person जो किंडल पे बुक पढ़ के and then they order the physical books. But yes, I am planning to finish that book as soon as possible, and then I'll come again with a good long form content video. Till the time, happy reading. Bye.